job. Need to help you again? There you go. It's the first time I've seen her feeding herself with a fork. And you're doing a pretty good job. Eating orange pieces of orange. Orange segments that I got out. And you ate almost the whole orange yourself. Good job! Thank you. How about some puff wheat? We're out of orange segments. See, I'll eat it if it's on the fork. She dropped one orange segment on the floor. Other than that, she ate almost the whole orange. She had a whole scrambled egg and some puff wheat, although there's a little bit left. And we made a mess. And there's nothing more to put your fork on. You ate it all. Giving it back to me? There's another puff wheat. Do you see the other one? Good girl. Is that your water bottle? Yeah. So you ate everything. Do you want a drink? Okay, that's it. I just wanted to show off you eating with your fork. Yeah, there's the fork. That's it. Say bye-bye. Bye.